So I'm currently secretly filming Missy because at the moment he's currently setting up for what he thinks is going to be a normal crochet tutorial, but what he doesn't realize is that this is going to be the beginning of a whole brand new series on our YouTube channel. It's going to be so entertaining. I'm going to be teaching Missy to crochet. He doesn't know it yet, but I hope this goes down well, and it's going to be really super fun for you guys to watch his whole crochet journey, and also really useful for absolute beginners to see all the mistakes he makes, all the questions he has. So hopefully he goes along with it. So let's find out. Click record is recording.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, I'm going behind the camera and action.
Oh, it's very loud. But there's two chairs, Missy. There's two chairs. I got a chair for you.
Yeah.
You know
okay.
this tutorial. My plan is for absolute beginner crocheters to learn to crochet.
Ah, okay.
Can you see where this is going?
Oh, this is now? It's happening now?
You're going to be the test subject because you are an absolute
Yeah,
beginner.
this is definitely true. I never crocheting before.
Would you like to learn to crochet?
Yes, because I'm working with in this team, of course, in the Happy Berry, and of course I'm the cameraman. I'm editing the videos and do a lot of stuff. But I think it's nice if I'm part of the crochet.
Because I know you've talked about this, you
teams.
sort of mentioned this before that you should really learn to crochet. So I thought,
okay,
we've been talking about this absolute beginner new series. If I teach you in real time how to crochet, then it will help. It's going to be super entertaining for crocheters who can crochet already. But for
absolutely.
But for absolute beginners watching, they can see all your mistakes and struggles and questions, and I can help you.
I think it's a huge challenge to me.
Do you accept this challenge?
I always accept the challenge.
Please subscribe so we can watch Missy's new
click.
crochet journey challenge. If we can go from literally you have held a hook before because you pass them to me now and then.
Yeah.
But you've never changed. You've never even done a Slipknot.
No.
So
I see how you do that. It looks very easy. I'm afraid maybe not.
It isn't. It can be. It depends. But I would like to get you to a point where you could actually make something. Maybe a granny square. Yeah.
Okay. This is the goal.
That's the goal. That's the end goal. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's begin. I have 3 choices of colour. So I've chosen, for absolute beginners, I've chosen an acrylic yarn. And the reason I've chosen an acrylic yarn, and quite a chunky yarn, is it will help you see your stitches. An acrylic yarn is a low-cost yarn, lots of different colours. It's not too stringy, it's not too fluffy, so it's quite a good
I understand.
beginner.
It's a good beginner-friendly.
It's a good beginner-friendly yarn choice, fibre choice. So, any preference of colour? I've chosen ones that hopefully will show up well on camera.
Blue, this is my choice.
Blue it is. And with that, you'll be working with a 6mm J crochet hook, which will be quite good for...
J?
Yes, it's J.
Why is J?
It's different.
J.
J. Yeah, 6mm. You can use any type of hooks. I've chosen for you my favourite crochet hooks, which are not sponsored. Clover Amour. It's got this kind of rubbery texture on the handles, very good for grip. You can use bamboo and metal hooks, but this is the most comfortable and smoothest for when working with crochet.
Okay.
So, of course, there are other types of hooks. So when you get really advanced, you can play with massive hooks.
Wow, okay, is very
20mm or teeny tiny micro hooks. So almost like lace hooks. Yeah. This
the size is how?
I'm not sure because it's actually an antique one my mum gave me. So it's maybe 0.4, 0.5
maybe
millimeter.
Half millimeter. Oh, okay.
Let's stick with the nice average size.
I think, this is average size. Okay. I'm happy with the average size.
So we're going to go for a 6mm. So I think anything from a 3.5 up to about a 6 is a good, nice beginner range.
Okay.
Yeah. So, relax, breathe.
Okay.
First thing is to relax, breathe. Don't expect results immediately. and we're just going to work on a slip knot. Now a slip knot is not specific to crochet, it's just the very first loop. You would do the same in knitting. So I will quickly show you how to do a slip knot. So what I like to do is I just hold the tail end on my 2 fingers. There's many different ways.
Like a pistol?
A pistol, yeah.
Yeah.
There are many different ways of making slip knots. This is just my way. And then I wrap it around so that they overlap over the top. And then I hold it with this finger. You get like this cross shape.
Okay.
Okay. And then you get your hook.
Okay.
And you go under this one and grab the one over the top. And you just pull that through so it's on your hook. Then just let go of everything and you've got a slip knot. And it's called a slip knot because you can just undo it like that.
Okay, so this is the pistol.
Create a pistol, yeah.
Yeah. How coming the yarn
So
up and down?
it was like this way. So drape it over the top.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Need a memorizing. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And just wrap it around your fingers. That's it, until they cross over the top. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
I'm sure there are easier ways of making slip knots.
Okay, and holding the yarn here.
Yeah.
It's
good.
And come the hook. Maybe here.
That's it, and then you grab it. So you like twist the hook, that's great. And then that's on your hook. Let go of everything. And just catch. Yay! So yeah, that's easy. Good job. Good first try. That's great.
Okay.
Okay, and then just make sure you keep that on your hook. Okay. And then you pull the longer one, the working yarn. We call this working yarn. You just pull that. Not too tight because you want to have a bit of flow.
And necessarily moving the yarn and the hook up and down.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's okay. So you've mastered a slip knot. You want to try it again? You want to, or you want to just get on with it? Should we just? Because people watching this are just you just want to try one more time.
Sorry, it's
wrong way around. So
that's it. Okay.
Other way, say pistol.
So here.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay. That's a little bit.
No swearing. This is a child-friendly channel. Okay, so this is actually one of the problems that beginners have. It's stringy, and this is why I've chosen acrylic, because it doesn't tend to do that. You'd have a lot more problems with some other yarns doing that. So, yeah. Be careful not to.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. Grab it. That's it. Remember to pull. Yeah, the working yarn, so the long one, pull that's it. And there you have your first loop. And everything begins with a slip knot.
It's not too absolutely not hard, just need practicing.
Yeah.
And I think it's absolutely something is very easy. Okay.
And don't confuse it with the back.
And the granny skirt is ready.
Yes, done, great. And that's it, end of the series. Congratulations, see you next time. We're also going to be looking at chaining today. Because I think chaining is, this is where we start to look at how we hold our yarn, our tension. It all seems really overwhelming. A lot of experienced crocheters love to have an opinion.
Okay.
I personally will show you how I do it, but it's definitely about finding your own way of holding the yarn. There is no right way of holding the yarn or your hook. Some people hold their hook like this. Some people hold it like this. There is obviously left-handed people. So there are many different ways. So it doesn't. There's no right way or wrong way. So, but I will show you my way just to give you somewhere to begin.
Okay, great. Let's go.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold our yarn. I like to hold my yarn with these 3 fingers, and I use then these 2 fingers just to create a little bit of tension, because one of the things people have is it does this when they're trying to move around. So if you just hold on to your little slip knot like that, hold on to it, just keeps everything not moving around.
Okay.
So, and then what we're going to do is we are going to make sure our hook is facing up. We're going to go under the yarn. So we're going to grab our yarn. All the time I'm holding just underneath that slip knot here. So I've got a little bit of, it's not tight, not really tight, but it's straight. So we're going to go underneath, okay? And the idea is we want to pull this yarn through this loop, and that creates a chain. And one of the tricks is once it's on your once you grab the yarn, you're going to twist your hook downwards and you're going to pull a little bit on the slip knot, and that just opens up a little bit of space. Okay, and then you're going to twist your hook down and just pop that through your loop.
Okay, this looks easy.
And then as soon as you come through, put your hook face back up, and that's your first chain. And you should have these 2 little loops either side.
Okay, I try.
Okay, I'll get you back to a slip knot, so you don't have to do a slip knot again.
Okay, so...
No pressure.
Oh.
So you can hold it my way or any way you want to.
Your way of officially see, because I don't have that's it.
Yeah, those 3 over those 3 fingers, and you use these 2 just to hold on to underneath the slip knot. So this hand is just for your hook.
With this.
Yeah. So let's move this up a bit so you can see what's going on. Okay. So use these, your thumb and your finger,
put here
to hold kind of like underneath the slip knot.
Here.
Yeah, just to create a little bit of.
Okay.
Stop it moving around your hook.
Okay.
Basically.
Here, I hold here.
Okay, if you want to, yeah, that's absolutely fine. And that's good. It's not too tight, your working yarn, but it's straight. Okay.
So actually, I am using these 2 fingers.
If you want to, yeah, that's absolutely fine. No worries there.
Okay,
okay, remember to keep that tight. That always helps. That's it. And then remember to pull down on this yarn.
That's right. Oops.
Yay!
Something.
That's good.
And I do again.
Yeah, and you just repeat that over and over again. So always remember to keep pulling on this, to keep a little bit of, and you might want to move up as you make more chains.
Okay.
And keep this straight. So you want to keep a little bit of...
Okay. Great. So, okay. Okay.
See there you've lost some tension. So remember to use these fingers to hold that yarn. Keep that tension, because you want to keep that firm, not tight but firm. That's it. And then hold that down. And
sorry.
So remember, move your fingers up as you work on the chains.
Wait. It's too much yarn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, don't let the loop get too big. That's it. Pull it through.
I need working on the...
Set yourself up each time. Don't need to rush it one after the... Oh, that's interesting. You went a different way. But still...
Wow.
Still works. You actually went a different way on that one. So you can see a slight difference of where this loop's ended up. But so what you want to just keep doing is... So you're holding it there. You're keeping that tension, but you're also keeping...
Show you. Tight, yeah.
So it's just keeping that straight, and I'm using this to hold this, and that stops things moving around. Also, I can pull to reduce that loop all the time. You see, I can do this quite a lot.
Okay.
And you need to go to the front and under.
Okay.
For now, I won't overcomplicate things with details.
I understand. So I need using the 3. Oh, look at that.
This is your tension. See, this is all about having that control.
It's working. Like that. Yeah. Okay.
And there you see, when you did that, you created a little bit of too much loop here. So move your fingers up and hold on to the chains.
Oh, okay.
Instead.
So not necessarily always.
No, you can move up as you crochet.
Oh, yeah. It's much better. Yeah. Sorry.
No, so don't apologise. That's it. To the front and under. That's it. And bring it. Don't rush the next one, because now you've got a loose. So you need to loosen up that.
Yeah.
You're a little bit too tight. So just relax. So don't rush the next one after next one. Just take your time.
Okay.
See, it's a little bit too tight. Okay. So you want to give up on that one. Okay.
Okay.
And just make sure that loop is a little bit more flexible. Not too loose.
Okay.
Just you want to see a little bit of space in between. The hook and the yarn.
Need other space with the loop.
Tiny little bit of space. Just a bit of breathing space. Okay. Give yourself a bit of breathing space.
I see. Okay. Little space. Move here. Don't pass enough space.
The more you pull on this, if this is too tight, that loop will get tighter. So you don't over tighten your tension. You got it's a balance act of firmness, but
okay.
That's it. So if you pull too tight on your tension, that loop will be so tight you'll never get anything through it. Nope, wrong to the front there. That's it. That's great. You're crocheting. You're chaining. That is the
something.
the first stage. That's it. The
Okay.
the crochet addiction has begun. So all I wanted to do is, wow, there we go. You see what you've ended up with. Actually, that is really impressive for a first attempt because they're all facing the same direction.
That's just clear. I never do that before.
Because you were consistently going in the same direction, it means all your chains are facing in the same direction. So you've got these beautiful V shapes, if you can see. And if you turn it over, you should have these vertical bars.
Oh, like a chain.
Yeah, like a chain, like chain links.
Chain links.
So some people, the next stage, when you're working stitches into your chain, some people work into these vertical bars, and some people, like me, I work in this direction.
The V shapes.
That's going to be episode 2.
Okay.
So I'll leave it there. You want to practice for
absolutely
a week or two? And,
yeah. Because if I start the second episode, I need to do that in a very clear and easy.
All right.
Okay.
So there we go. Well done, Missy. I'm so proud.
Thank you.
And it's really fun as well because even now you're saying that you don't want to stop. You're addicted. So it is very addictive. Okay, we've lost Missy now to the crochet, so we'll just leave him there practicing. But I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Teaching Missy to Crochet. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. And if you are an avid crocheter and you're very used to this, I hope it's been entertaining. And I hope you'll all subscribe. So many of you are not subscribed to this channel, so do subscribe so you can follow Missy's crochet journey and see if he will one day make a granny square. But thanks for watching. We'll see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. As always, a huge thank you to our Happy Berry Plus members, our monthly subscription where there's lots of bonus content. And don't forget to head to our website in general, happyberry.co.uk, for over 400 free crochet patterns for you to try. So from beginner to advanced. So it's goodbye from me and it's goodbye from Missy. See you next time.
Bye. Da 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 da.